Well, recently I put a new volume or with this update that TradingView have, it has a volume screener. And this volume screener, I'm gonna let you guys get my settings, right? I still do something similar. It's changed from open 1%. It's above 1%. You guys know I don't like buying coins over $1 billion. My volume, it has to be over 500,000 because I want to see that it has volume. It can go up to 50 million, no problem. The new thing that they put in here, which to me is a game changer, right? Is this right here in the middle, this average volume, right? This volume on the trading side, volume in 24 hours. So anything is over 500,000, and then the volume percent change when it has a volume. So everybody wants to know what my screener was that I use and have programming. It uses some of the volume also, new volume coming in. So you see LTC here, right? And somebody was asking me like, hey man, I want you. I was like, no, you can't have mines, but you can actually set it up where you'll get it the same thing. So this volume is above 200%. And you see here that if I look at the screener, you see LTC. My custom screener that we pay for, you see LTC. And at time frames, you can tell. So in the last hour is up 41%. If I go here and I say 13 minutes, right? It takes a minute to go through all the screening and put it out pretty in this chart. But here now, if I select ATA, the same screener here, you see that now this volume screener is giving us the same type of setup, right? And if you keep this open all day and you had a screener, earlier I learned
cut out, Jamar.
this last night at 2:30, right? Because it just crossed over here. Today it hit 4. Are you still there?
Yeah, you're good now, bro. We lost you for a second.
Okay. All right, cool. My bad. Yeah, I had the camera turned off so it could I'm just gonna give them this one jewel. If I don't make money with this, man, I gotta quit. so this is something simple, and people looking for the holy grail, right? If you're looking at it on 13-minute or 5-minute, you don't get it right when it crosses, right? And a lot of times you don't see this FVG. So this right here, if this don't make you at least $1,000 a month, so this is not a buy, right? On a 5-minute, but on a 1 hour, the mass is already ran, and I caught it out here, right? And I was playing with the screener and I set it up. You see this ATA, this Mina, right? Just getting it up when it starts. 70 cent to 75 cent. When you talking about pennies, is a big move, right? And then I have it set up where I can see, the week change, the month change, so I can see the trending. And mass has been trending the whole time, and I'm just surprised a lot of people haven't seen it. Same thing with this. The sushi came up, it had an above average volume here, and then it just continued to make a move up. So once again, I'll probably do a zoom, and I'm looking at this on a 1 hour, right? So the hour I'm looking here, if I did it on a 15-minute, we probably would see a lot more, but I'm doing it on a 1 hour because I want to get a sustained swing, right? And this is just a trading view. Like, people ask me, what is the one tool that I need if I wanted to trade, and it would be TradingView, right? And I've been cheating on everybody in crypto because I've been over here in the futures market, testing all these strategies out. And actually, I just got in a trade here, like right when it's cost, well, about 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. So I'm looking at a 5-minute, and just trading the futures off the low. It moves more than it moves, and it's just another platform that I've been using. Right. So I've been trading everything, and the thing that I'm down on right now is the options, and I'm only down because I picked November 25th aspirations. So tomorrow we will see how the market responds to the news. I think it's going to continue to go up. You see this Mina, and so then I'll look out on the 4 hour, then I look out on the day, and when you get over above a day and it's starting to trend up, you got weeks in. To me, that's my signal. But I like to always get in early, and so that's why I go down to the 45-minute, 1 hour, I try to get in 5 minute, 13 minute. And I like to, get this run here. All right. And so if you just hit the screener up all day, and if you're day trading and you're not looking at the screeners and you waiting for somebody to feed you fish, when you can fish on your own by just using the screener, I'm giving you the game plan. I just want everybody to share when they're looking at it, but I just see that nobody is sharing in the Discord. And so it's like, I don't understand. Like all these shiny objects, man, and the money is right here. And I'm taking trades right now. And, some of these trades are just based on, Doge and everything. I'm just doing 100x margins, and I'm only risking small amounts with 39x and 20x. So I'm just getting the small runs and then getting out. And so I'm getting 250, 500 in less than an hour, and then just bouncing out using some of these same screeners. Right. So if I could trade Mina on decentralized platforms, I would. But for guys that's using Binance and KuCoin and still on centralized places, I'm just not on them because, I don't want all the tracking, but I'm not going to tell you why. I mean, I'm just not on them. But, if you're using them and you're not making and taking advantage of these trades just by having the 5 and 13 minute chart up and seeing this move with above average, you see this green candle, you see the FEG, you see it going above the alligator, and it's coming up on the screener, just buy it. And you buy enough of them, you will be rewarded. But guys give up and they quit, or they're not looking, or they're waiting for the signal. And I understand. So I'm giving you a couple of them, but I mean, somebody got mass last night, was up, 80%. And the real, telling you, Dogecoin and Doge, all these other coins going up. We have opportunity right now, and it is November. So I'll probably do a loom tomorrow and go through this biome screener again. This is basically the settings I set up. I'm only using 6 filters, but the most important one is just the above average volume coming in, above or equal in the last 24 hours. If you go above 200, you're going to pick out things that funds are coming in. I don't know if I can, I just showed it. You go to your filters, crypto pair screeners, you come to filters, and here's the settings. You can watch this video 3 or 4 times. Everybody in here can just print some trades. And on that note, I'm not gonna take up that much time. I'm not supposed to be on this call. This is Darrell's call now. I just want to drop in jewels when I can.
No, we always appreciate your presence, bro. No,
hey,
Jamar,
making money in the futures market right now. I'm gonna cut it off and stop. But it's been taking food from a baby.
I actually took the same trade on the Qs. I saw the low, and we ran down so hard today that it's like it's got to go up once it breaks that market low. And
bro, I took the Qs in the option, and I bought today's expiration. I was like, and I lost like $200-300. I'm trying to do an option trade with the Qs, and then realized I'm moving around, fat fingering it, and took a $200-300 loss just by picking. If you trade options, make sure you get the right. I thought it said November 22nd. It said November 2nd.
Damn. So basically you bought it and it was already almost worthless, right?
It was already worthless.
Gotcha.
And I bought 10 contracts at 13 cents or 20 cents. Because I didn't even set the limit order.
Yeah, when you see those cheap prices, bro, got to double check.
My bad. But, hey, you make a mistake, you either lose time or money. And today I lost.
I lost money on that. It was just pulling back. Jeez.
Right. That's what I'm saying. It's a rocket ship. ATA.
And guys, especially with the crypto right now, take advantage, man, while we have the opportunity and we have the expectation that the market is going to run, because, everybody can, do the day trading or whatever. But honestly, in my opinion, and just from experience, the easiest money is swinging crypto when it's hot. There's not much that you can put in money. You're making 20, 30, 50, 100% sometimes a trade. And you compound that real quick over a 1-2 month span, however long this little run lasts. A lot of times you can make far more money than, trying to come to the charts every single day and be, chase perfection on the day trading side. So, don't stop the day trading, but, don't also be so heavy into that you miss out on this easy money on the crypto side. So